If you've ever started a new month feeling totally overwhelmed with meal planning and grocery shopping, you want to eat healthier and you want to save some money, but you really just don't know where to start, especially in this economy, you definitely want a system that you can follow every single time. So in today's episode, I am going to be showing you exactly my system that I use to plan every single month, the same system to help me have discipline and consistency to help me reach my goals. And this is not just about meal planning, it's really about treating your health like a business. And that's exactly the kind of thing that we are doing on this channel. This is gonna be part 1 of my new meal prep master plan series, where I'm gonna be breaking down all the tools and strategies that I use to help me stay consistent on a day-to-day. This is actually an extension of my meal prep reset series where I show you how I plan, shop, and prep my meals. The first part of the meal prep master plan series really focuses on planning. When you're trying to reset your habits, you should not have to restart from scratch every single time. So I'm actually going to be walking you through exactly how I plan October so you can save lots of time, save more money during the holidays, and really start the new year on the right foot with a plan. Now, to help you implement everything that I'll be teaching you in this series, I've actually created a brand new Notion template, which is completely free. It's gonna walk you through every step you need to plan your October. It's gonna be in the description below, and essentially it's really gonna walk you through exactly what you need to do to prep for October and plan all your meals and really stay consistent. Now, let's get into the exact elements that you need so you can start your meal prep plan. Now, the first element is your mindset, and I really struggle with this in the beginning. Not just about writing things down, but it's really your approach to how you do things in your life. For so long, me and my husband really hated going to the grocery store. Like, we would go through all the aisles, kind of have an idea of what we want to buy, but we never knew what we were going to cook with those ingredients. And sometimes that just gets overwhelming. But when you have a plan, now you feel a little bit more in control. So this template is really designed to help you so you can start your journey on the right track. The first thing I like to do before I even think about going to the grocery store is a kitchen audit. It's really a simple checklist for your pantry, fridge, and freezer. Essentially, all you're doing is looking through your pantry and see what you already have. Please do not skip this part because you think you know what you have on deck, because you don't. Typically, things I have in my pantry are my carbs. So you have tortillas, sweet potatoes, rice. Those are usually the things that I have in my pantry. Any beans, corn, quinoa. Do a deep dive of your cans, your seasonings, anything in bags, your breads. This process alone gets you brainstorming different ideas of meals that you want. Remember what I said earlier? Treat your health like a business. The same way that you clock into that 9 to 5, why are you not clocking into your body daily? If your body is not healthy and running, how are you going to get to your 9 to 5? But the function is to really check off all the items that you already have in your pantry and take that off the list. This is really my number 1 tip for saving money. I only buy what I need. I don't go to the grocery store just buying things because they're on sale. Auditing your kitchen prevents overspending and buying duplicate items in your kitchen. Plain and simple. Now, the next key element is your meal prep budget. This simple page allows you to track your high-level grocery budget. My grocery budget is about $150 to $200 bi-weekly for my groceries. I actually have a separate budget for my household items, which is about $400 a month. Really and truly in my household, we never really reach our household budget at all, but I keep it that way because the holiday season is right around the corner. I like to really use this space to plan out my grocery budget, kind of plan out where I want to shop, what I want to buy from each location, what deals they have, because I like to shop at Publix as well, and they always have buy one, get one free. So depending on what's on sale, it will definitely determine what I buy and what I shop for that week. It's really not about restricting your body. I get so many questions of people asking me, what kind of meal plan are you on? What is your diet like? And my diet is just what I feel like eating that fits my macros. So it's about being intentional about what's in your kitchen, what your budget is, and what you want to eat. Again, it's not only what you eat, but it's how much you spend on what you eat. I'm telling you, this step right here is so important for me because it helps also building financial discipline. And if we're being completely transparent, health discipline is just as hard as financial discipline. So they really go hand in hand together. So if you feel like you're financially struggling, let's say you feel like you cannot afford a coach, maybe look at what you're spending your money on. Now, the core of the template is my meal prep reset method. Basically a simplified framework with 4 key sections. I like to set a high level look at what flavors I want for the month. So I might say 2 weeks out of the month, I'm feeling Mexican flavors. The other 2 weeks out of the month, I'll probably do some Asian flavors. If there's holidays in between, I know I have some gaps. I love to plan because I just get all these ideas and I run with it. So I really have to jot down what I actually want to keep me from spending unintentional money. Next step, audit your kitchen. So similar to what you do at the end of the month when you're about to go grocery shopping again, I like to do this when I'm also planning my meals. I audit my kitchen once a week as well, typically on Fridays. It takes about 5 minutes and that's it, my kitchen audit. After that, we have Shop Smart. This is when you actually go grocery shopping. I like to plan my bulk trips versus my one-off grocery trips. So my main grocery shopping is actually done at Costco. I only go to Publix when I need one-off items throughout the month, and that is something I also budget for. That's part of that template. Last but not least, you prep with discipline. Follow through each week. Use this space on the template to really create a system. When are you gonna meal prep? Is it Sunday? Is it Monday? Is it twice a week? Is it 3 times a week? Are you prepping only ingredients? Really be intentional about how you're going to execute this plan. I want to remind you that this system doesn't really need to be perfect to work. It needs to be intentional. And also to add, which was the first step in the beginning of the video, your mindset. If your mindset is negative, so is your plan. So if you're going into this already thinking it's not gonna work, already thinking all the excuses, that's exactly what's gonna happen. You can't be negative Nancy all the time thinking that's gonna fix your problems. A system is meant to enhance your discipline, not replace it. So work within your own skill set. Don't stretch yourself too thin doing things that you're not capable of doing. Don't overcomplicate your system. Just take it one step at a time, one small habit at a time. This system is really creating what you want your life to be like. It's creating small steps, small habits, small routines that will slowly transform your habits and make this weight loss more sustainable for you. So I hope you liked part 1 of the Meal Prep Master Plan series. Don't forget to start your journey with this simple system. You can grab the free template in the description below. This is a template that I created to really help me stay consistent during my health journey and help build those habits to create discipline that will last. And if you're ready to go all in on this method and coaching, click the button inside the template, or you can check the description below for more information on my coaching program. This is a 4-part series, so stay tuned because the next episode drops next Friday. We're going to be talking about ingredients in my kitchen and how I stay on my budget. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you learned a thing or two, maybe you should consider turning on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Also, if you like this video, I highly recommend that you watch the next one. See y'all later.